500%. That's how much RAM prices jumped in 1 month, and nobody warned us. Let me tell you what happened. It started in September 2025. I was building my dream PC. DDR5 chips were about $7, $6.84. Exactly. I thought I had time. I was so wrong. December 7th hits. I walk into the store. Same RAM kit I wanted. I look at the price tag. $27 per chip. 27. That's a 400% increase in 3 months. Sorry, that's the new price. Asked him what happened. AI happened. I'm sorry. What? All the memory goes to AI now. You're telling me robots are stealing our RAM? High bandwidth memory for servers. They pay more than you, so I don't matter. Not to manufacturers. My jaw hit the floor. I called my friend. Oh, did you see Dell's announcement? What announcement? They're hiking prices 15 to 20%. On top of the increase, Lenovo too, starting January. This can't be real. Oh, it gets worse. How could it get worse? They're saying 2026 will double again. Double? Contract prices already doubled this month. I felt physically sick, and then I saw the real tragedy. 64 gig DDR5 kit costs as much as a PS5 Pro. RAM costs more than a console. I started researching. Why is AI hoarding all the memory? Turns out, it's simple. They need high bandwidth memory, HBM, for AI accelerators. And guess who makes it? The same factories that make our RAM. So manufacturers had a choice. Make cheap consumer RAM or expensive AI memory. Guess which one they picked? We'll take everything you have. Money is no object. And just like that, it got abandoned. But wait, it gets more absurd. I went to buy RAM anyway. They had a limit, 2 sticks per customer, like it's a limited edition sneaker or a PS5 at launch. This is computer memory. Some stores bundle it with motherboards. Can't buy RAM alone anymore. Here's the kicker. Memory prices went up faster than gold. Gold. Precious metal. RAM is now more valuable. Let that sink in. Maybe we should invest in RAM. Honestly, not a bad idea. Buy DDR5. Forget stocks. But the irony kills me. AI is supposed to help us, make our lives easier. Instead, it's making computers unaffordable. Machines meant to serve us are pricing us out of machines. That's dystopian levels of messed up. Cyberpower PC announced the hikes. December 7th was the cutoff. US and UK both hit 500%. Their words. In 2026, it's going to be a bloodbath. Changes everything I thought I knew about building PCs, about being a tech enthusiast, about this whole industry. See, I always thought we mattered. The builders, the gamers, the people who actually use these parts. But we're just leftovers now. Scraps from the AI table. Teen Group's GM said it himself. This crisis has only just started. 2026 will be worse. DRAM and NAND doubling again. That's storage and memory, both going through the roof. So what do? Some people are panic buying, hoarding RAM like it's gold, because apparently it is now. Others are just giving up, buying pre-builts instead, even though those prices went up too. Dell, Lenovo, all of them. 15 to 20% increases. Starting January 2026, there's no escape, unless you bought before September, when DDR5 was still $7, $6.84 to be exact. Now it's 27 and climbing. So here I am. No dream PC, no affordable upgrade path. Just this story to tell. And a warning for all of you. If you need RAM, buy it now before it gets worse. And it will get worse. They promised us that. The only promise they kept. So next time someone says, AI is the future, ask them one question. How much did you pay for RAM? Like if you want more stories like this.